Now sketch the graph of y equal mod x plus 1 evaluate -3 to 1 integration of mod x plus 1 dx. Firstly, we sketch the graph. Y equal mod x plus 1, and it can be written as x plus 1 if x plus 1 is greater than 0 or equal to 0, and minus x plus 1 if x plus 1 is less than 0, and it can be written as x plus 1 if x is greater than or equal to -1, and minus x plus 1 if x is less than -1. Now sketch the graph of this curve. Y equal x plus 1 cuts the x-axis at -1, 0. It is -1, 0. When x is greater than or equal to -1, means when x is greater than or equal to -1, we have y equal x plus 1, means the curve gives positive value. It is y equal x plus 1, or we can say the slope of the line is positive. When x is less than -1, the slope is negative, means we have this is y equal minus x minus 1. Now we have to find the area from -3 to 1, means x equal, that it is -3, 0, and it is 1, 0. Then we have to find this area. You have to find this area. Then area of bounded region is -3 to -1. We have curve y equal -x plus 1, and -1 to 1 we have curve x plus 1. It is curve y equal x plus 1. Now integrate this term. Now we have upper limit (1/2 - 1) minus lower limit 9/2 minus 3. It is 1/2 plus 1 minus 1/2 plus 1. Now 1/2 cancel out. And in this term we have minus 1/2 minus 9/2 is minus 8/2, means minus 4. At minus 1 plus 3 is 2. Plus 2, and we have 2 plus 2 whole square unit, and it is answer.